Hello everyone, this is me, Meera Sharma, and I'm a STEAM scholar at Kathmandu University. And today I'm presenting a digital story based on 5E lesson plan. I recently had the opportunity to visit a community school at Janahit Mavi. It is in Dapcha village, and the purpose of the visiting in that school was to implement a 5E lesson plan, and which was organized as a part of our course, instructed by our course facilitator of innovative pedagogy, Professor Rosni Raj Bhandari ma'am, Kathmandu University. Here, let's meet the STEAM scholars of Kathmandu University, including our course instructor, Dr. Rosni Raj Bhandari ma'am and Dr. Indramani Shrestha sir. Well, now talking about the visit in Janahit Mavi School at Dapcha community or village, as our team arrived there at around 11 a.m. in the morning, and we were greeted by the principal, other school faculty members, teachers, and a group of excited students who were eager to participate in the lesson. So we began by engaging the students in a discussions about the topic. We would be exploring the life cycles of a plants, or as we can say, the germination process. Before I start telling the digital story, I would like to give a very short introduction about our course, Innovative Pedagogy. So, innovative pedagogy refers to using creative teaching approaches to improve students' learning and engagement. So, the very important things that I learned from this course is incorporating STEAM principles like can be particularly effective in the classroom. Just like, for example, science, technology, engineering, arts, and maths in the classroom to develop critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity skills. Innovative pedagogy is a growing field aimed to prepare students for the 21st century by engaging and inspiring them to learn. And it also include project-based learning, 5E lesson plan model, game-based learning, and design thinking. These approaches like help students to see the relevance of materials, explore their interest, and engage in hand-on experimental learning. Yes, now my lesson starts from here. Me and my co partner Lakshmi Thapa entered the class and we introduced ourselves and had a warm up activity by singing a song related with the topic. And the title of the song was The Farmer Plants the Seed. And we sang this song with the children's. And after this activity, we introduced or explained the purpose of the lessons. Like we told them that we were going to be learn about the germination process and how the seeds turn into a big plant. Next, we started the engagement phase of the lessons. To get the student excited about the topic, we show them pictures of different seeds and ask them to guess like which ones would germinate the fastest. And because this helps to get their minds thinking about the topic and spark some lively discussions. And next, we moved on the explore phase. I gave each children a small cup with a seed and some soil, taking them out from the classrooms, right? And ask them to carefully observe the seed and make some predictions, like about what they through would happen as it is germinated. So the students were eager to get started, and I could see their curiosity and the enthusiasm as they examined the seeds and made their own predictions. So, this is all about the exploration phase. Children were taken outside with some seeds and the glass and some real soil. So, talking about the explanation phase, during this phase, we talk about the different parts of the seeds and how they help it grow into a plant. So, I also explain the steps of the germination process, like using lots of visual ads that I have carried for them in a paper chart or in a display, or have or in some flashcards, right? So it helps the students better understanding what was happening. So they need some visual aids. If possible, we could show them the real objects. Otherwise, we can show them the pictures as well. After the explanation phase, we move on the elaboration phase. I gave the students some additional materials such as watering cans and plant pots and asked them to create their own mini greenhouses to help their seeds germinate. The students worked together to design and build their greenhouses using their own creativity and problem solving skills to come up with the different solutions. And this is the phase where students apply their concept to the new situations and draw connections to the other context. So finally, we reach the evaluation phase, where I ask the students to reflect on what they learned during the lessons and how they could apply it in their own gardening project at home. So the students share their thoughts and insights, as I was amazed by how much they had learned in a such short amount of period of time. So this is all about the implementations of 5E lesson plan to the children's of grade 2. So lastly, it was a great experience visiting the school and implementing the 5E lesson plan on the germination process. The students were engaged and excited to learn. So, and I felt proud to have played a part of helping them understanding this important scientific concept. And thank you so much, Rosni Raj Bhandari ma'am and the Kathmandu University for the opportunity. Thank you so much.